Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the whip. When I want it. Pull up on sight. Do that for that check. Do that for that check. Do that for that check.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Anik and a K. How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. How y'all doing or whatever, baby? Welcome back to the channel. And as you guys see, I ain't got the monthly spread, baby. We is out and we is about and we is ready to get into it, okay? So today I'm gonna go over my monthly budget for the month of April because, baby, can you believe it's month number 4 of 12 of 2022? Girl, child, it is what it is, but baby, I'm getting prepared, okay? They tried the wrong one. Wade. If you do enjoy the content here on this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like it, baby, love it, baby, all that good jazz, okay? And leave a comment down below and let me know what your 2 cents are because I love to make it up to my dollar, okay? So without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, so I brought y'all in close to the action and I ain't gonna lie, bitch, this is giving cute. This is giving cute and I'm here for it. This is real cute. These little, there's just 2 little flowers on the side with a little, this is giving cute, girl. I'm here for it. But anyways, y'all, so for the month of April, my budget overview, but before I get into it, child, I got a little goals of the month spread. And I got 3 goals as you guys can see, and we got a quote at the bottom, and the quote says, wake up, smile, go out to the grind, budget, pay your bills, and do that shit again, okay? I ain't put a shit in there, but do it again, baby. So that is my quote for the month. My first of my 3 goals this month is debt. I want to pay $841 to principal, okay, with all my bills and everything. This is more than what I need to pay, but a good within my budget area. If I pay more than this, baby, talk to me nice, okay? But $841 is what I want to pay towards principal. So get into it. Next is fitness. For this month, I want to work out 15 times this month, child, because I hate working out. I may work in the military, but baby, it ain't my cup of tea, okay? I do not like it. I do not like it. If they didn't pay me to do it, I wouldn't do it. I can do my job without. Easy, okay? But I do have to get this body right, baby. I have to get her more fine, okay? So I need to work out. So my goal is to work out 15 times this month. And then last but not least, I don't know when this video is posted, but I know when I recorded it. And at the time of recording, your girl is not at 1,000 subscribers. So my goal for the month of April, if I have not already, is to achieve 1K subscribers. And those are my 3 goals, okay? So now that we've gotten the goals out of the way, let's flip little baby over and get into this monthly budget, alright? So this monthly budget is for the month of April. Let me write good baby in here. April 2022. Boom, bada, bang. All right. So April 22 is the monthly budget we are working with. Took me some sip of water. We got some rosé in the building right now, but don't worry about it. She's coming back soon, okay? Coming to a video close to you. All right, so my salary is the only income I plan on having this month. I don't have no leftover like last month, baby. So for my salary, you know she don't change, child. So I'm expecting $41.38. It's only where she divvy into that changes up, honestly, but she ain't changing, child. She said, listen, the 1st and the 15th, that clockwork, that's it, that's all, talk to me nice. So my total that I'm expecting budgeted is $41.38. Now, if I do get some extra on the side, baby, I ain't gonna be mad at it. Would you? No, you wouldn't. So I ain't gonna be mad at it, okay? But $4,138 is what we are working with this month, okay? So I've already like pre-filled out all my expenses. The only ones that you guys don't see is the ones that are changing, okay? If they change this month, that's why you don't see them filled in. So my mortgage this month, I am budgeting, which is the actual mortgage that I pay, of $1,018.87. That is how much my mortgage, how much Your girl has to pay every month, minimum payment. No ways around it, okay? I pay an additional escrow of $300. I paid emergency fund of $300 because I refuse to, when shit hits the fan, not be prepared or a little prepped, okay? I can be a little prep. I ain't got to be fully prepared, but as long as we prep, baby, you can start on a prep, okay? You can't start on a, ain't did nothing. Yeah. Okay? My HOA and my USAA is $49.80. Merrick, my dad, is getting $200 for the month. Next change in the monthly expense is my pest control. It changed from last month. This month I am budgeting it at $39. Okay, $39 is what your girl is budgeting at. Also, the other thing that changed this month is my electricity. And my electricity changed to $54.42. And I ain't even gonna lie, your girl is a little proud, bitch. I'm a little proud. $54.42, which last month I think was like $120. Baby, down by what? By like $60, $70? Play with your mama, but don't play with me. Get it together. Don't take that offensive. I just be saying random shit on here, so if you take anything I say seriously, other than to laugh, that's a you problem. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna hold you, because okay, next up is my internet, which is still $81.24. If you can know that shit, we would. Okay, Apple Music still her $14.99. Homie been in the game. She got longevity, is what we saying. Car insurance this month is changing, bitch. And it'll change for the better. It's increasing this month, okay? She's increasing to $159.17 this month. We don't appreciate it. I'm just gonna let y'all know up front, I don't appreciate it at all. After that, we got phone bill, which is sticking to her $44.56. We appreciate her for, you know, being a real one and staying steady. Next is ADT Security, new sis to the game, but she is not changing either. She a player, for real. So she $49.21. Apple Care, also new to the game. Y'all see my iPad? Let me show y'all this cute bitch on it. Look at her. Let me show y'all. There's this cute girl on there. Look at her. She cute, right? Oh, child, yes. She's so cute, girl. Anyways, my Apple Care for my iPad, because that shit is big and costs way too much damn money for when it breaks back to be fixed, is $7.99. My good car payment, which never fails, never fails to hurt me, $465. My water bill and estimate is $50. We gonna see what that comes out to. We're hoping below $50. That is the goal. That is the dream. That is the plan. And last but not least, because your girl ain't getting no younger, but she definitely going up in age, especially this year, okay? Retirement, $354.78. That is what I am budgeting. That is what I am estimating. That is what your girl is working with, okay? And so my total of all my budgeted activities comes out to $124.68. Damn. This is just bills, y'all. This ain't even for me to eat yet. How do people be working regularly? I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna hold you. This regular paycheck, that's this $4 grand a month. You know, sometimes I don't see it with all these damn bills, but you know, after I do pay all these damn bills, at least I got a little something left over. But how do y'all survive without, especially with inflation going on? How do y'all do it? Man, you know what? First of all, round of applause for everybody doing it. I'm feeding myself, but y'all with kids and y'all with additional family members in your house that y'all taking care of, I'm proud of y'all, because baby, okay, this is just me, my paycheck, and I was like, wait a damn minute now. And y'all out here doing it with multiple people. Y'all deserve trophies. I ain't gonna lie to you. Y'all deserve trophies. Anyways, y'all, so my budgeted expenses for the month is $3,124.68, which leaves me with a remainder of $1,013.32 for you girl to work with in her budget binder categories, okay? So for my budget binder, my cash envelopes, I just did a little razzle-dazzle calculation in my head, and I came up with $600. And I just felt like my cash envelope needed to be more than everybody, because she got groceries in there. Your girl got to eat. She got gas in there. Your girl got to go to work. Okay, she needs gas. And it has my allowance in there. And shit, that's gonna get filled. So $600 just made sense. Sinking funds, she is getting a total of $263.32. Because it just what makes sense. Right? So this is what I thought was like real cute. We could work with all that good jazz. And yeah, that's a number. And then last but not least, because what I refuse to do is not save me some coins on the side. Okay, I know I got my emergency fund up here, baby, but I like me a good regular saving challenge. Don't you? I like me a good regular saving challenge. And for me, that is $150 that I am estimating for my saving challenges. Alright? Alright. So let's do a little calculation. Let me pull out the other pen. I love different multicolored pen. If you're an oldie but goodie, you know multicolored pen, girl. I've been it. Okay, I've been it since the beginning of budgeting. I've been a multicolored pen girl. Just letting you know. Welcome subbies. No, I've been the multicolored gang. Anyways, what I'm working with. So income source, I have budgeted a total of $4,138.00. Okay, my expenses for the month, your girl is thinking $3,000. I said it like I was actually thinking that. This shit ain't on the paper. $3,000. Wouldn't that be great if our expenses were $300? Talk to me nice. Expenses is $3,124.68. And then our budget binders. Oh, child, I didn't even give it a total. My budget binders. Oh, child, what is this number calculated as? Let me calculate this up. I don't know what this number is. Wait a minute. 600 plus 263. Damn it. 600 plus 263.32 plus 150. Okay, girl. $1,013.32. I didn't even calculate it. Who am I? Anyways, my budget binders came up to $1,013. Let me squeeze that in there. Y'all see that mistake, but your girl fixed it. And 32 cents. All right. And so this plus this 3124.68. That's a lie. This 4138 minus this 3124.68 minus this 1013.32 gives me $0, which is what I love to see. I don't know about you, but I love to see it. Okay. And so I don't like how you flickering over there, left light. Okay, calm down, calm down. Gives me $0.00 left over, and that is all I like it. Okay, that's the way. Your girl likes it. So, anyways, guys, that's the end of the video. I ain't gonna hold y'all here too long, like a little 15 minutes. Well, that's cute. If you do enjoy the video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe, child. It's for free, and it's down below. And leave a comment, because like I said, I like your 2 cents. Make it up to my $1, okay? Make up my 98 to $1, and we all good. What's the quote of this video? What's the thing of this video? I don't know. I'm feeling good. Do something that makes you feel good, child. I feel good budgeting today. Do something that make you feel good. Yeah, it feels good. That's the quote. That's the saying of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, my name is Anique in a K. Thank you guys so much for watching, y'all. And I will see y'all next one. Smile, y'all. Because what's there to be mad about? Except inflation, bitch. But smile. Alright. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk. Can't even walk. Bad little thing.